Good morning, everybody. Today we're gonna be surprising Ava and Aaliyah. Go to Disney. We're going to Animal Kingdom. They don't know it yet. Good morning, sir. And we're about to buy them a box.
We're going to Animal Kingdom. We're going to
Magic. Holy crap, Magic Kingdom, even better for them. And we're gonna get a box and surprise them, and they're gonna love it. They're gonna love it. By the way, this is the first time that the wife goes to Disney too.
I'm excited.
She's excited.
And I'm taking the baby.
Oh, and she's taking the baby. So we're looking for a couple of things, and as soon as we head to the apartment, we're gonna go get the girl's dress, put everything in a box. First, put everything in a box, get the girl's dress, and surprise them. All right. So check you out later. Bye. So the girls last night spent the day, and the evening, and the night, and overnight with their abuelo. So they don't know we got them the boxes with goodies and stuff, and as soon as we that's happy sweet 16 nice, and they don't know we have prepped this for them. So I'm gonna go in there, put the box, I mean the not the box, the shirts and the hat, and surprise them. So here we go. They don't know. So
Look at the table.
Wait, slowly. All right, open the boxes. No, wait. You gotta read the note. Here, there's a note. You gotta read it.
You are girls.
No.
Sound it out. You are.
You are
What is the long O sound? The big O. Okay, so go.
Go
what?
going to Disney.
Open yours.
Open yours, Ava.
Ellos dijeron que aguantara, pero ya aguantó.
Today we're going to Disney.
No, she's looking at everything else except for her clothes.
Hey, look.
Yeah.
Your
Look
shirt.
at your shirt.
Big. Like,
What is this?
this big
Sister.
sister.
And yours?
Little sister.
No.
Little sister.
Look at the things inside.
It's so pink and white. I know mommy got me this.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
What she say?
I know mommy got me this.
Oh,
And with the attitude. Like,
I know. That's so you get your autographs.
These are for when you meet the characters like Minnie and all the princesses and all that.
Mickey.
They'll sign their name for you, okay?
All right.
she's fresh.
Oh shit, nice.
Got excited.
oh, my mind is blown.
Why?
I really like this shirt. Is it too big? Look.
Nice. Little sister.
Daddy, can I have a ponytail so I can put
I don't care. So here we go. We're gonna get on the, what is this? On the fast train.
Okay, go abuela.
No, go ahead, man. Go ahead, sir. Mi gente, estamos en Disney. Estamos en Disney.
Mi gente.
Are you girls excited?
Yes. Very.
They're very excited. They don't seem it, but they are. Believe me. They're excited. They're very excited. I know. The Goofy's right over there too. Look at Goofy. Oh, look at Minnie. And Mickey's over there.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are currently holding for further traffic clearance. Please remember to stay clear of all automatic doors. If you're standing, please continue to hold on to the cover handle. Thank you.
He can't see you.
Over there, look. With the little hat.
Donald Duck too.
Look, down over there at the end.
Oh, I see Donna. Can we oh, I see one more guy. Can we go?
That's what I thought. I was like, oh,
If you're standing, please hold on to the handrail and stay clear of the doors until the monorail stops completely and the doors open. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Magic Kingdom monorail station.
Show your hand that you get in. And this is the Magic Kingdom.
Every time we go in the car, we're gonna go back to the whole thing. That's it. That was the ride. You said Disney already.
What happened? That's the ride. Yeah, we done. So we're gonna turn around and go home.
Just kidding.
Check it out, there's a guy back there waving. He's buying churros for everyone. Thank you, sir. Thanks for your generosity. Well, hello, and good afternoon, everyone. My name is Buddy Boyle. I'm one of the funny monsters here at the lab floor. You just met our MC, our monster of ceremony, Mike Wazowski. Raise your hand up if you're a fan of the Mike Wazowski. Let me see the... All right, I guess that takes care of the mic check. The mic check. He wasn't available.
He's my buddy. He's your buddy. He's Buddy Boyle.
Hello, human! Hey, you remember? Well, except for that guy. Now, but as you know, but what you do not know is that I can read minds. It's true. I'm telepathetic. Now, I'm looking for somebody out there with a mind. There's a powerful mind calling me. Calling me. Yes, over there. Like, how perfect, that's her. Hi, I'm Buddy. It's nice to meet you. What's your name?
Louise.
Louise? Correct. One small sampling of my amazing abilities. Louise, I would like for you to think of a number between 1 and 50. Have you got that number?
Yeah.
I'm gonna pluck that number from your mind, Louise. But hold on now, wait, before I do that, why don't you tell the audience the number so they'll know when I get it right. Louise, don't worry, I'll close my eyes so I will not hear you. Go ahead.
38.
Did you tell me a number, Louise?
I did.
Perfect. Next. Put your hands on your head and make some antennas to complete the mental industry. Concentrate. You rock from side to side. Yeah, you're tuning in those frequencies. Nice. Louise, make this one simple noise. How do you know unless you try? Can you yodel?
No.
No. Well, you're consistent, I'll give you that. Louise, I got you. Knock, knock.
Who's that?
Little old lady?
Little old lady who?
You can yodel! I knew you could do it. Your number, 38. Yeah! Get it, ladies. You were great. Ladies.
Well, I gotta open the curtains. What's that? I can't hear you, Mickey.
Donald, wake up! It's showtime! Don't forget the orchestra! And don't upset my
We going the fast speed. Ahí vamos.
I said I was scared. Aaliyah goes, me too.
Welcome back to tomorrow. Be sure to visit Space Mountain while you're here for an adventure that's out of this world.
Now we can see.
Each of us has a dream, a heart's desire. It calls to us. And when we're brave enough to listen and bold enough to pursue, that dream will lead us on a journey to discover who we're meant to be. All we have to do is look inside our hearts and unlock the magic within.